Hi, my name is Takeya from ADB headquarters, and I have one simple question. Did you mobilize tsunami damaged, suffered resident people to the reconstruction works, or made some special regulation to mobilize them? Yeah.
Did I mobilize people?
Yeah. Did you mobilize the local person to the reconstruction works? Put to the people to hire the local works or something like that in order to compensate getting some jobs during half a year or 1 year.
Well, the core of the organization is a mix between experts coming from outside Aceh and people from Aceh. So out of 500, 600 people in our organization, almost 70% come from the localities. But basically this is the organization. So when it comes to the construction activity, the province of Aceh is one of the poorest provinces in Indonesia. The population is only 4 million. And in 4 years' time, we poured around 7.2 billion US dollar. So never happened before, a province like that in Indonesia was given money around 7.2 billion US dollar. So basically when it comes to resources, almost all local resources were utilized. Even we have to import much more coming from outside Aceh. To rebuild roads, you have to have asphalt mixing plant. The number of asphalt mixing plant in Aceh was only around 12, but we need at one point around 30 to 35 asphalt mixing plant. This is for an example. So all these local resources were already utilized, and even we have to import resources from outside the province itself. So yes, the question is, the answer is yes, that we use local resources to rebuild Aceh as well, as long as their expertise is complying with our requirements.